Good morning, third grade. For problem solving today, we are going to do something a little bit different, and we are going to do a problem where you have to figure out how can I make 25 cents using quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. And you're going to show us two different ways that you can make 25 cents. I have linked this optional video. It's just for fun. It shows you how quarters are made. So it's kind of a neat video that takes you through the process. If you want to watch it, it is there for you to watch. Also, if you think you might need help solving this, like you want to have a model, you want to see that visual model, this program that I'm in is the same one that we used when we did the fractions. So here's the ones that we did for fractions. So I think most of you have that on your bar, or I can stick the link to it in this slide also, so you can go to it. And what you'll need to do is when you go to it, because this is called the Math Learning Center and it's resources /apps. So what you'll want to do is, before when we were using this, we were using the fraction one. If you just keep scrolling down, there's one, it's called Money Pieces, and you'll just want to click Open Web App, and it's going to open up this screen, and then you have a couple different options. So it has an option where it shows you an array to match what the coin equals. So like I clicked on a quarter, so I have a 5 by 5 array because a quarter is worth 25 cents. But if I don't want that array on there, if I just go down here to the bottom, you can see right now it's highlighted with that array. So if I just click on the other one, that array goes away and it just shows me the coin. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. So we're trying to make 25 cents today. And I don't want you to turn in like, oh, here's one way I can make it with a quarter. Like we all can make it with a quarter. So I want you to try to do it with at least 2 coins, if not more. So I want you to try to figure out ways that you can make it. There are actually 13 different ways. When I was looking at this and trying to find it, it said there were 13 different ways that I could do it. So if I was you, I would just start like thinking about coins. Like I have a dime. Oh, I know I'm at 10 cents. So I could use another dime. Now I'm at 20 cents. So that's pretty close to where I want to be. I can't use another dime. That would put me over. But now I can switch. I could use nickels or pennies to finish out that quarter. And that would be 125 cents. So I might decide to use pennies. And I can put them in there. And so 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So there is 25 cents. So that's one way that I can make 25 cents is with 2 dimes and 5 pennies. So to record that back over in our slides, so I might put, so here is where I could upload a picture and then I can explain my thinking in the Flipgrid video. But just for now, I'm just going to type in here so that you can kind of see how you can write out what you did there. So I might put like 2, and I could either put dimes, or like if I didn't want to write that out, I might just put like D plus 5, and I could type out pennies, or again, if I just want to use P, I could just use P, and that equals 25 cents. So I could put that 25 cents. So that's one way that you could write it out so that we see your thinking. So you can do it on your paper, do it in here. I don't know. Some of you might know how to take a screenshot of this and then just put this over into here, I'm not positive how to do that, but if that's something you know how to do, you're more than welcome just to do that. So if not, you can write it on paper. Like I could write out here what I did. I could write out that I did 2 dimes and 5 pennies. If I had some crayons, I could color in, my pennies like a brownish color and then the silver and then show my dimes. But 2 different ways. Like I said, I don't want to see that you just did quarters. Like I don't want you to say like I can use 1 quarter. Like we're going to all agree that that's one way we can do it, but we're not going to use that. So I don't want to see anybody who just uses a quarter. I want you to try to use at least 2 coins or more to make 25 cents. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with.